151. Pass something out. Meaning, give the same thing to many people.
Example: the professor passed the textbooks out before class.
152. Pass something up. Meaning, decline, usually something good.
Example: I passed up the job because I am afraid of change.
153. Pay someone back. Meaning, return owed money.
Example: thanks for buying my ticket. I'll pay you back on Friday.
154. Pay for something. Meaning, be punished for doing something bad.
Example: that bully will pay for being mean to my little brother. 155. Pick something out. Meaning, choose. Example: I picked out 3 sweaters for you to try on.
156. Point someone or something out. Meaning, indicate with your finger.
Example: I'll point my boyfriend out when he runs by.
157. Put something down. Meaning, put what you are holding on a surface or floor.
Example: you can put the groceries down on the kitchen counter.
158. Put someone down. Meaning, insult, make someone feel stupid.
Example: the students put the substitute teacher down because his pants were too short.
159. Put something off. Meaning, postpone.
Example: we are putting off our trip until January because of the hurricane.
160. Put something out. Meaning, extinguish.
Example: the neighbors put the fire out before the firemen arrived.